Her Excellency Vice President Leni Robredo, Pi Gamma Mu Philippine Alpha Chapter Maria Fe Mendoza, members of the Pi Gamma Mu Executive Board and Advisory Council, Pi Gamma Mu members and incoming members, welcome to the 2020 Pi Gamma Mu induction ceremonies. For the first time, we are conducting this induction ceremony virtually because of the COVID-19 pandemic. However, this pandemic will not prevent us in our recognition of distinguished undergraduate and graduate students in the different fields of the social sciences. We are also online today, and therefore, more people are able to watch your induction ceremony into the Pi Gamma Mu International Honor Society in Social Sciences. So let me also take this opportunity to welcome all of those who are watching right now, including your parents, family members, your friends, classmates, and your loved ones. Please enjoy our short but memorable program today from your respective homes. Thank you very much and a pleasant afternoon to all.
Isang magandang hapon sa lahat ng officers ng Pi Gamma Mu International Honor Society, kina President Dr. Maria Fe Villamejor Mendoza, Vice President Dr. Nestor T. Castro, Immediate Past President Dr. Maria Luisa Camagay, and of course, higit sa lahat, the 200 faculty, students, and professionals who will be inducted into this prestigious society. Congratulations, and I hope we are all keeping well and safe. Honor at excellence. Dalawang napakasimpleng salita, pero napakalalim ng kahulugan. The University of the Philippines is 112 years old. In turn, the Pi Gamma Mu Honor Society is 96 years old. Between these two institutions, this is a combined history of more than 2 centuries of achievement. Napaka-competitive makapasok sa UP. And to be among the best within UP is more competitive. To the women and men who now join Pi Gamma Mu, you should be proud. But there is also something I invite you to consider. Is achievement done for its own sake? Do we join elite societies because they enhance our mobility and improve career prospects? There's nothing wrong with wanting more in life. But I think that such a concentration of talent can do so much to transform our country, especially under the shadow of COVID-19. Our alma mater is at the forefront of that effort. The UP Octa research team is always hard at work, providing data that should inform policy efforts and strategy. Testing kits developed by UP make COVID detection more affordable. And most of all, words cannot adequately describe the daily sacrifice of the doctors, nurses, and staff from UP-PGH. The crisis of COVID-19 is primarily a health problem, true. But all the other problems we face now, a struggling economy, surging joblessness, misplaced national priorities, can only be solved through cooperation across all fields. I'm sure alam ninyo ito. The best research, the ones that have the most positive impact on humanity, cut across the traditional disciplines. Bahagi ng excellence ito. Maintaining an open mind and building on the insights and competencies of others. And the country will certainly need your excellence as we build a better normal. One that is more compassionate, just, and fair. It will need your honor too. Because if there is one thing we have learned, we need honorable people to establish a citizenry that has confidence and trust in each other. In the days and years to come, we will need lawyers who will defend the interests of the poor and the vulnerable. We will always need government workers with integrity, honesty, and transparency, We will need psychologists to look after our mental health and economists who will draw the chart to our recovery. We will need anthropologists, linguists, and communicators who will help us make sense of what we experience now so that we can learn long before the future arrives. Kasi para sa akin, task ng isang mahusay na social scientist ang tulungan tayong intindihin ang kabuuan ng ating lipunan. Where the physical scientist helps us understand the natural world, the social scientist teaches us to navigate the world as we move in it and shape it. And you are all uniquely placed to lead the way. I am confident that the UP chapter of Pi Gamma Mu will continue its tradition of excellence. And I am filled with even more hope that each of you will live with honor as you help the nation move forward. Padayon UP. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.